Thanks for joining me today. My name is Nick Despotidis. I'm a realtor here in Washington, D.C. Today we're again talking about should I rent or should I buy, but more importantly, what house should I pick? There are three things when buying a property we talked about is paying the mortgage. Boring, not fun. Second thing is appreciation, which we all like. This is a nice area, and Washington, D.C. has an average appreciation of 4% this year. Last year was a lot more, it was 10%, and that's just riding the roller coaster ride. Costs are going up, values are going up, lots of jobs coming into Washington, D.C., so you'll see a higher appreciation or growth in value over time in the district. But the third thing that I want to talk to today is value add. And that's a huge component when finding a house below market. The average price point is $750,000 for a row house in DC. This is $600,000. And there's a reason. This is an estate sale. So when you look around, you see the kitchen, it's open. So they got rid of that wall, but man, those appliances, where is the center island? Where am I going to entertain? Those are things you're going to have to invest for value add. New cabinets, new appliances, quartz or marble countertop. Get a contractor in there, get a few quotes. Maybe it'll be $5,000 to $12,000. Now it's a $600,000 property brought to a $650,000, maybe even a $675,000 property. But that's sweat equity, right? Then you look back there and you see a beautiful extension. What does it function as? Maybe we open up a little bit, put some French doors, make it talk to the backyard, do a little hardscaping. People want to entertain outside. I know I do. I love to entertain and I don't want it blocked off from the outside, so I want tons of light coming in. Again, that's another $10,000, maybe $15,000 to knock out the walls, make it all open, and put glass, French doors on the end. Another value add. Now we're at $720,000 property value, and we only got it for $600,000. Putting time and money into your house is going to return significantly. So things when you're walking around the house, you look at the kitchen, you look at the backyard, you look at the upstairs bathroom, and you just see meh. But maybe you could take that meh and up it a level and really picture yourself to renovate the house. We're at $10,000, $20,000, $25,000. If you add another bathroom, that doubles it to $50,000. So nothing out of your wildest dreams in terms of cost, and of course you have to get the right contractors, get bids, and if you want a luxury contractor, it's going to cost you double, not $50,000 but $100,000. But if you got a budget and you keep to it, and you maybe pick not the cheapest guy but the middle guy, you can do it with $50,000. And you made this $600,000 house into a $750,000 house with just $50,000. So again, we have $50,000 for down payment. We talked about that. We talked about value add, and we talked about payments to principal. So again, this is yours. This isn't a rental. You could do the improvements in something that you rent, but you won't get any benefit from it. Here, you get to customize your own home, make it what you want, even hire an interior designer to give you those special looks. Or hire an architect and really get the specs and make it a custom home for now just $100,000. So again, the playing field is wide open. Renting versus buying, make sure you're ready to buy. It's a responsibility. So it's not easy. So if you're not ready for it, don't sign up for it. So thank you for joining me for another edition. Like my page and comment below, because I'm going to have more content out there that you don't want to miss. So I'll see you later, and contact me if you have any questions.